here at the history of the Montammy Golf Club, a ultimate exclusive golf course in a private country club that was established in 1916, nestled within the rolling hills. This is just 7 minutes from the George Washington Bridge and serves as a high-end, full-service athletic and social escape for New York City. The history of this 18-hole golf course dates back to when golf designer Frank Duane, with the help of Robert Trent Jones Sr. and Arnold Palmer, they built this beautiful golf course. Duane took advantage of the natural layout here with the heavy tree and also rocky terrain that offered water features throughout some of the holes. In the early decades, it gained a reputation as a large, beautiful greens and also making it a favorite for tournament play if given the opportunity. It served 50 years in 2016 and has a massive overhaul that took place that include rebuilding and totaling out at 45,000 square foot clubhouse. Rees Jones' master plan came into play, who is the open doctor, made some changes to the golf course. Final completion in the 2026 season, but heavily focused on tree removal, bunker reshaping, and also green and overhaul if needed. It has hosted multiple events like the 9 NJSGA Mid Amateur Championship, the Met Open Qualifier in 2009, and many more. It is not just golf, it is more than golf. It has many different Olympic-sized pools, fitness center that is beyond belief. This is the ultimate mecca for those looking to stay and enjoy themselves outside of the big city, but with huge amounts of funding to get into something like this because it's a ultimate membership only facility. The course has also been noted for award-winning. Golf Digest and major golf outlets have rated it one of the top destinations for private golf in the New York City area. And if given the opportunity, let us know down in the comment section if you've played this course. We'd like to hear from anyone that has played this course. These are the courses that have some interesting history. Although it's not the oldest course, it's still probably one of the most prestigious courses in the New York City area and New Jersey, North New Jersey area. That's it for this video. Keep a lookout for more videos to come here at the Professor, an independent golf channel focused on fun, affordable golf in your area. And keep a lookout for more videos to come.